Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and click on the search bars. You need to type in Send Anywhere and then install this app from this developer. Following that, just open. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose Receive on XIAOMI and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one folder, just Send. So ceramics click and tap on Got It. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on XIAOMI, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!